Hi, I'm Subha and I'm making this quick video about a brand new KDP tool that generates KDP A+ content really fast. You can see I have a book cover that is word search puzzle book for kids ages 6 to 10, and I also have a book interior that is 134 pages word search puzzle book for kids. You can see I have created these pages using instant puzzle generator. I have a separate video on that as well on my YouTube channel. For now I'm going to create A+ content for this book using a brand new software that makes it really easy for Amazon KDP publishers to create A+ content just using their book cover and book interior. For this video, I have my book cover in PDF and then PNG. I just converted my PDF cover into PNG using this site, that is PDF to png.com. I just uploaded my PDF cover and then it generated a PNG. I just downloaded it as a zip file and extracted it. So I have my cover ready in PNG, that is full paperback book cover, and I have my book interior in the form of PDF. The software is Atelier. It's brand new. It allows you to upload your book cover and upload your book interior. Then you can quickly create Amazon A+ content kit that comes with 7 modules with hero image, key benefits, lifestyle scenes, inside pages preview, use case, versatility, comparison value, closing banner. So you can quickly create the whole kit, or you can simply go here and create one by one. There are multiple options for you here. First of all, you need to come here on to mockups. You have options to generate images and text. For Amazon KDP A+ content, you need to come here to mockups, upload your book cover in the form of PNG. Then you need to upload your PDF, that is book interior. This is my book interior. It will quickly analyze and generate some interior pages here so that it can quickly generate the A+ content. So it automatically selected my page number, that is 134 pages, and it also gives me option to choose the paper type. My paper type is white paper, black and white non-fiction. So I will select this one. And it also sampled some pages from my book interior, you can see. Now scroll down and you can select visual direction. It's optional but it's helpful. Nature explorer, space adventure, artistic playground, and then whimsical exploration, retro fun fair, artistic ocean discovery. These are really helpful for creating various types of A+ content. So you can also click on show 6 more options like uncover discovery quest, artistic doodle playground. For now I am going with whimsical exploration. Just click on this and then you can scroll down and just click on generate full kit, and it will start designing your prompts and then start designing your A+ content modules. You have to wait for a couple of minutes to let it process. Once it finishes, I will be back. So the A+ content kit is ready. It took around 4 minutes to generate the whole kit that includes 7 modules. This is your history. Click on images, text, or all. Under all, you will see your history. You can click download kit. It would be a zip folder. Save. Right click on the zip folder and extract Atelier word search folder. Now you can click here and open each one of these. I think it's really beautiful. Unlock a world of fun with every word. Next is this one. It's smaller size. Then this is full page, and I think this is great. This is lifestyle image. A kid is holding your book. Next, another interior preview. I think it's really beautiful. These comes with different sizes. Another lifestyle image. It's really beautiful. I think it's another very beautiful one. You can change the vibe and generate different types of A+ content using this software, that is Atelier. I think its software is really helpful for creating KDP A+ content really fast. You have multiple options. It comes with different sizes, like it has this size and a smaller size. Each module comes with in 2 sizes. You can pick the one that suits you. In this way, you can quickly generate KDP A+ content using this software, that is Atelier. It not only generates whole KDP A+ content kit, it also allows you to generate A+ content images one by one. All you need to do is upload your cover and interior and scroll down. This is the A+ content kit. Just scroll down and here you will see A+ content. You can click any of them and quickly generate A+ content image. Like if I want to generate A+ content hero, I simply go and change my visual vibe if I want to. This time I want to select a different one like Nature Explorer. I just scroll down to A+ content kit and just click generate hero image, and it started generating A+ image. This time it will generate only a single image. You also have smart A+ content. This is uses books content. Above section is using books cover, like It uses book cover and generate A+ content. If you scroll down, you will see an option that is Smart A+ content. It uses your book interior. You need to upload your book interior and it will quickly generate A+ content one by one instead of generating the whole kit. If you scroll down, you will also see picture genre boosters like picture book spread, age range hero. You will also see social kit. You can generate Instagram scare images, Instagram story, 9:16 ratio, Twitter or X card. You have option to generate Pinterest pin as well. So we just generated this mockup. Let's see how it goes. Download this. Here it is. It was on the nature vibe, so I can add a text here if I want to. Simply, if we go back and generate a Pinterest pin based on our book cover, we have Pinterest pin. Click the image and download, save it. If you click on any image, you have option to edit, regenerate, download, upscale and share. If for some reason you don't like the image, you can select image from your left side panel and then you will have options to edit, regenerate, download and upscale and share. I have already downloaded it, so I will open this. It's beautiful looking pen for our word search book. This tool is really helpful. It's a lifetime offer. During the launch, you can get it for lifetime. The normal price is $99, but if you use my link, you will also get 10% off. The link is in the description below. If you have questions, do let me know. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.